Ọpẹ́lọ́ yẹmi ojoojúmọ́ ni màá ṣọpẹ́ fún ìfẹ́ tèmi. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi olólùfẹ́ mi ọpẹ́lọ́ yẹmi. Diamond girl, African baby, ọpẹ́lọ́ yẹmi.
What are you looking forward to?
Just actually going sightseeing. We've never gone away to sightsee. We always go away
For shopping.
for sure. Yeah, so just going away to sightsee.
Looking forward to spending time with your boo.
Spending time with my bae. He's gonna spoil me as usual.
This right here. Memories.
Of what?
When we initially got married, when me used to make me bagel sandwich every morning, like bagel, eggs, sausages, and bacon in a bagel. Obviously, she has stopped doing that.
Because co-healthy.
No.
Because
you don't have
co-healthy.
time. Like, in our first year of marriage, we'd wake up early in the morning to make me breakfast like this. And I'll have this, take it to work. Yes, I still love you after 6 years. So for me to be having this early this morning,
That's when you know it's anniversary.
it is an anniversary and it just brings back memories and it just shows that it's a good day. We're remembering good things. So thank you, baby. For
You're
waking
welcome,
up
baby.
to make me my favorite bacon bagel.
Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about
No.
yourself and you make me
Baby, all of this
Double
for you
dare
is
me.
not good.
Double dare me.
What?
Just say I double dare you.
I double dare you.
Happy birthday to you.
You're so bad. You're so bad. Stop. Stop, Ning, stop. Just stop.
Happy.
Stop.
Good morning.
Good morning.
No. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Buenos.
That's the wrong country.
Oh, that's the wrong country. Okay. Bonjour. You know what I realized? I just realized that bonjour is not necessarily good morning, isn't it? They use bonjour here like you're right. They use
Like, how
bonjour
far?
like yeah, how far? Like, oh, what's going on?
What's
So
going
bonjour is like even at night they greet bonjour. And I'm like, no, it's not bonjour. It's supposed to be good morning.
Yeah.
You know, but we've learned something, isn't
learned
it?
something, yeah.
And we are happy. We've got our T-shirts. Look at that. That's Mr. Davies and that's Mrs. Davies.
This was our original first pic together.
Yeah. What do you mean? Oh, okay.
Like married pic.
Yeah, our married
Isn't it?
pic. That's one of our favorite
Yeah.
wedding photos because today is actually our wedding anniversary. It has been 6 years. It has been 6 amazing years, 6
Yes.
powerful years, 6 years I will never forget. 6 years of transformation, you know, of love,
Growing,
growth,
learning.
and you know, we're just grateful to God. We've just finished
Definitely.
thanking God for His mercies and for His grace upon our lives.
You want to clean up? Yes. Okay, come in. No problem. We're gonna leave in a second.
No problem.
Okay, you give us 1 minute. Okay,
Same
thank you.
minute.
Huh?
Same minute.
One. Ayope.
No, what's one in French?
What's one? Okay.
Where did the area come from? Oh look, in Yoruba?
Yeah, but she didn't get it. She didn't get the joke.
I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you.
So we are finally heading out, okay? And we stop at the reception just to ask for some directions, okay? Because we like getting the train. Excuse me, I want to report to you. I don't know what you're trying to do. And then, so I come out as usual, and I am walking now towards the train station, okay? And this woman is still inside, talking to the receptionist. She's always flirting with this guy. And I said, what are you saying again? I've been suspecting her.
Trying to get directions, baby.
But now she confirmed my suspicions.
When you'll be getting us lost. Did you tell them how you got us lost yesterday?
How did I get you lost?
Did you tell them?
It's a joke.
It's a joke.
She's not flirting. You know, but the guy's a fine boy. Maybe I'm jealous. The guy's a fine French guy.
No, he's not as fine as you, baby.
Oh, really?
Yeah, never.
Really?
Baby, I think you're looking at... You know when these people come from the left, isn't it? Not the right.
Bruv, I know the way. I know what I'm doing, fam. So we are here at the Eiffel Tower, and there seems to be a massive queue here. Massive queue. There is. Feels like I'm at like F-Well or something. So many people.
Delay more than 45 minutes on the second floor.
What's that?
So at the second floor there's saturation.
Delay.
Yeah.
Wow. I didn't know this thing was like this. So just look at that. Just look at the people.
Am ești câștigă, dobe. Which one? What is it? Hai frumos. Bravo. Olguța lângă cumnatii meu, puțin atențiune de bal. Watch again, no problem de money. Watch again, no problem de money. This one.
Right, so we are finally inside at least after queuing just to get in. Now we want to just get our tickets, isn't it? And then we should be up there in a second or two. Right, so we have just seen an announcement that the top of the tower is closed. Okay, so that means we cannot get to the top. So
But you're happy. You're happy.
Apparently he's not too happy.
You're happy. I wanted to.
What do you mean
right
I'm
to the
happy?
top.
I'm not happy to be honest, because I really wanted to go.
Go to the top.
I was really looking forward to going to the top.
Really.
Okay,
really.
but you know, God works in mysterious ways. So let's just say God doesn't want us to go to the top.
And I thought you were going to propose to me at the top as well.
So yeah, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to. I guess next time. The next time you bring me to France,
Thank God, we live 2 hours away. We're coming next week.
we'll go to the top. But why did they do that though?
Baby, don't let the top be overloaded. Then the thing starts shaking.
And then Okwemi wants to go in the lift. I thought we should climb up.
You don't
You know,
have.
I think the experience is.
The thing is,
in
coming from
climbing.
someone who uses the Stairmaster at the gym, it's quite difficult to go continuously.
Because she goes to gym once a month now, we will not hear once. Or once in 6 months. This. Yeah. This.
Don't go and feel. Don't go and cry.
Second level. Now this different thing. But this is the way to make it.
Can you shake? Don't shake. Don't shake.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Baby, I'm not coming down with these stairs.
Why?
It's scary. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Baby, I couldn't have gone more than this.
Baby, why are we going to the top?
No, this is just level 2.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Play with the feelings like just all the goals.
Wow. This is the second floor. This is just the second floor. Let's go and get a view. Let's get a nice view. Take some nice photos. Wow. Wow, look at that, baby. So we are here live at the Eiffel Tower.
We made it.
We made it finally.
Yep,
It was
yep,
tough,
yep.
and we were persistent. Okay, so if there's anything to
Unfortunately, we
learn,
couldn't get to the top because
yeah,
they
couldn't get to
closed
the
off.
top. But I'm very happy with this second stage or second floor. What do they call it?
It's very, very high.
Views. These are views. You see, when we got married, let me tell you a little story. When we got married, I told her that I would take you to places you only see on TV.
Skiing.
Okay, and see, I brought her to the Eiffel Tower that she's been seeing only on TV.
I appreciate you.
It's a lovely view here, guys.
It really is.
It's a lovely view.
It really is. It's
Lovely.
so beautiful.
It
This
actually feels
looks like
safe. I
London.
thought it was going to be very scary, but it actually feels safe here.
Well, that lift going up was shaking.
Yeah, the lift was the lift was dodgy. It was like one of those Niger lifts in Nigeria. Sorry for my Niger people. So we've decided we're gonna
Go down.
go down the stairs for another type of experience. So
Baby, don't look down. Don't look down. Don't look down.
stop. But yeah, coming down is so safe.
What? So you think going up was not
Going up was more scary for me.
views? Views.
You take a selfie. Let's take a selfie here like this.
Yeah.
Let me do it. The 130 years anniversary instead of 20 years.
Yeah, because I think it was built in 1889.
Wow. Okay. Oh wow, baby, don't look down.
I'm not.
Whatever you do, don't
I
look
am
down.
not. We made it.
We're at the ground floor.
No, we still got a few steps to go.
A few steps. Okay. Come on, baby.
I think that deserves another crepe.
What if we crepe share? You know what that means? That means they have used some charms to make her love crepes. But yeah, they do some really nice crepes here. What? I'm sweating, fam. Okay, so what's happening next? We're gonna go back home now, yeah,
Get dressed.
and get dressed because I want to take my wife to somewhere special for dinner. Okay, we need to celebrate our 6-year anniversary. Okay. Look at what I'm working with. After 6 years.